How you doing? My name is Courtney Richardson here at Tameron Honda. Just sending a quick video to introduce myself and thank you for your recent inquiry on that Honda Insight. Here at the Tameron Honda, we are Alabama's #1 volume dealer, so guaranteed to have that vehicle that you are looking for. But the website that you inquired on didn't really give me many specifics as to a color or trim on the vehicle that you are interested in. So all I need you to do at your earliest convenience, I know it's a little wet and rainy today, a little breeze, and you may have some free time to stop by today. If so, give me a call at 205-261-8732, or just let me know which day and time work best for you. Again, Courtney here at Tameron, where I can guarantee when you make it in to see me, you're absolutely going to love the way you're treated.